Do you feel like you don't speak enough Dutch? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account.
In this video, you'll learn 20 of the most common words and phrases in Dutch. Hi everybody, my name is Thomas. Welcome to the 800 Core Dutch Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in Dutch. But there's a twist. With each new lesson in this series, we'll include the previous lessons at the end. So after you've learned the new words and phrases, stick around and review what you learned in previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at dutchpod101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally master Dutch. Okay, let's get started. First is hallo. Hello. Hallo. Hallo. Hello. Hallo Adam. Hello Adam. Hallo Adam. Excuseer. Excuse me. Excuseer. Excuseer. Excuse me. Excuseer, waar is het treinstation? Excuse me, where is the train station? Excuseer, waar is het treinstation? Het spijt me. I'm sorry. Het spijt me. Het spijt me. I'm sorry. Het spijt me. Hij is er nu niet. I'm sorry. He is not here right now. Het spijt me. Hij is er nu niet. Goedenacht. Good night. Goedenacht. Goedenacht. Good night. Tijd om goedenacht te zeggen. Time to say good night. Tijd om goedenacht te zeggen. Leuk je te ontmoeten. Nice to meet you. Leuk je te ontmoeten. Leuk je te ontmoeten. Nice to meet you. Leuk u te ontmoeten, meneer. Nice to meet you, sir. Leuk u te ontmoeten, meneer. Hoe gaat het? How are you? Hoe gaat het? Hoe gaat het? How are you? Hallo Mies, hoe gaat het? Hello Mies, how are you? Hallo Mies, hoe gaat het? Ja. Yes. Ja. Ja. Yes. Het is koud. Ja, inderdaad. It's cold. Yes, indeed. Het is koud. Ja, inderdaad. Nee. No. Nee. Nee. No. Ik ben geneigd om nee te stemmen. I tend to vote no. Ik ben geneigd om nee te stemmen. Dankjewel. Thank you. Dank je wel. Dank je wel. Thank you. Dank je wel, maar dit heb ik niet besteld. Thank you, but I didn't order this. Dank je wel, maar dit heb ik niet besteld. Ik ben. I am. Ik ben. Ik ben. I am. Ik ben Maria. I am Maria. Ik ben Maria. Tot ziens. Goodbye. Tot ziens. Tot ziens. Goodbye. Tot ziens, mijn vriend.
Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the Word Bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.